In this video, I will show you how to find BitLocker recovery key. When you initially set up BitLocker, you are provided with several options to save your recovery key. These options include saving it to your Microsoft account, Azure Active Directory, a USB flash drive, a file, or printing it physically. If you saved the recovery key to a file but cannot recall its location, you can easily locate it by searching your computer. Open this PC on your computer and use the search box located in the upper right-hand corner. Type BitLocker and press Enter. In these search results, you should see a text file named BitLocker Recovery Key. Double-click on this file to open it and your recovery key will be displayed. If you save the key to another location, such as your Microsoft account, a USB drive, or a printed copy, retrieve it from there. If you are unable to locate the recovery key using these methods, you can use command prompt to retrieve it. Open the Windows search bar, type CMD, and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Enter this same command which I've typed in, and instead of C, you can type in the name of your locked drive. After that, press Enter. The recovery key will be displayed under the Password section. This method ensures you can access your BitLocker recovery key even if you misplaced the original file.